Ready? Start. Madam, I rise to support the railway budget presented by Sri George Fernandez for the year 1990-91. Sri George Fernandez has his association with the railways for the last 40 years as a labor leader. As a labor leader, most of his energy was concentrated in making demands on behalf of the workers of the railways. Now he has been put in a position to look after the affairs of the railways as also the well being of the workers who are working with the railways. Since he is at the helm of affairs, since he was a labor leader and his words carry weight with the workers, I hope under his stewardship the workers of the railways would perform better, would do their jobs better, and would see that the railways perform better. In this way, not only would the railways satisfy the people who travel, but also the functioning of the railways in general would improve. The Indian Railways are the biggest network in the whole of Asia and the second largest in the world. Not only the Indian railways are big in size, but their problems are also big in proportion to their size, and the things that the people want the Indian railways to do for them are also big. Sir Mr. Fernandez, on the 2nd of February, has come out with a status paper wherein he has given the current position of the Indian Railways, the problems that the Indian Railways are facing, and also the innumerable demands, including the demand for providing employment on a large scale in the railways to the unemployed. I hope that in this discussion on the railway budget, the participants would offer some constructive, useful, and practical suggestions. Mr. George Fernandez, when he had to prepare and present this budget, had a very little time to do that, probably less than 100 days. But even within the short period, sir, he has come out with some new ideas, with a new approach with regard to the functioning of the railways. He has laid emphasis in the budget of modernization on energy conservation and on computerization wherever it is necessary, though he has expressed his helplessness in providing more jobs to the unemployed in the railways. He has tried to generate jobs outside the railways with the help of the railways. It may relate to afforestation and things like that. He has extended the computerization of booking from the present four metropolitan cities to five more cities, among which Bangalore is included. Whenever an air accident takes place, the compensation that is paid is very high. What Mr. Fernandez has done is that in the case of the railway accident also, he has raised the amount of compensation from the present rate of 1 lakh rupees to 2 lakh of rupees. In accident, whether it is the rail accident or air accident, the loss of life is the same and any life lost can never be recovered.